India is enriched with mind-blowing musical talents in all its corners. It's no secret that the music industry is insanely competitive. However, there are certain self-made singers who've broken all boundaries and shattered all obstacles. We'll be looking into the success story of one of the most sought-after singers of our times, Arijit Singh. When we hear the name Arijit Singh, the first thing that comes to our mind is his soulful voice. He has had so many chart-breaking love songs that have captured the heart of the nation. His story is not that of an ordinary singer. He was one of those many talents who thrived unrecognized and unidentified. At present, we know him as the king of playback music in Bollywood. But his journey began from the absolute bottom. Arijit Singh was born on 25th April 1987 in Murshidabad, West Bengal, to a Sikh father and a Bengali mother. He began his music training at a very young age at home. His maternal aunt trained in Indian classical music and his maternal grandmother used to sing. His maternal uncle played the tabla and his mother also sang as well as played the tabla. He studied at Raja Bijay Singh High School and later at the Sripat Singh College. According to him, he was a decent student but cared more about music, and his parents decided to train him professionally. He was taught Indian classical music by Rajendra Prasad Hazari and trained in tabla by Dhirendra Prasad Hazari. At the age of 3, he started training under the Hazari brothers, and at the age of 9, he got a scholarship from the government for training in vocals in Indian classical music. Young Arijit's musical career began when his guru Rajendra Prasad Hazari, who felt that Indian classical music was a dying tradition, insisted that Arijit left his hometown and participated in the reality show Fame Gurukul in 2005. Arijit was only 18 by then. Arijit did participate. He was eliminated by audience polling, finishing in 6th place. During the show, filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali recognized his talent and made him sing You Shabnami, a song scheduled to be used in his upcoming film Saawariya. During the production, the script changed and the song was no longer required. It was never released. After that, Kumar Taurani, the head of Tips Music, signed Arijit for an album which was never released. Two such major failures would have shattered anyone, but Arijit Singh didn't give up. Without losing any hope, he set out on a new journey. He participated in another reality show called 10 Ke 10 Le Gaye Dil and won it. He won 10 lakh rupees from the show. He moved to Mumbai in 2006 to freelance, staying in a rented room in Lokhandwala. He invested the 10 lakh rupees he had won from 10 Ke 10 Le Gaye Dil to build his recording studio. He became a music producer and began composing music and singing pieces for ads, news channels and radio stations. Arijit spent a part of his early music career as a music programmer and music producer for directors such as Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Vishal Shekhar, Mithun, Monty Sharma and Pritam. While working with other composers, he supervised the vocals and the chorus sections. But it was while working with Pritam that he began to produce and program music by himself. In 2010, Arijit started working with Pritam on 3 films, Golmaal 3, Crook and Action Replay. He also started singing scratches in the Telugu film industry in the 2010 film KD. In 2011, Arijit made his Bollywood musical debut with Mithun composition Fir Mohabbat from Murder 2, which was actually recorded in 2009 but released in 2011. The same year, when Arijit was programming for the song Rabta from Agent Vinod, Pritam asked him to sing it as well. His part was retained in all 4 versions of the song, and he was made to sing the entire composition in one of the versions.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझ पे बनाया तेरे जैसे है किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता अब क्या है कहना हमको है रहना जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए.
Apart from Agent Vinod, Arijit dubbed for Pritam in 3 other film releases during the same year, which were Players, Cocktail and Barfi. He also sang for Chirantan Bhatt in 1920 Evil Returns for the song Uska Hi Banana. He then went on to work with Vishal Shekhar and sang their composition Dua in the film Shanghai. This won him the Mirchi Music Award for Upcoming Male Playback Singer. He was also nominated in the same category for Fir Le Aaya Dil from Barfi. Arijit's breakthrough came in Aashiqui 2, where he was a lead and key vocalist and came to prominence with the release of the song Tum Hi Ho from the movie. The song won him several awards and nominations, including Filmfare Award for the Best Male Playback Singer. Since Aashiqui 2, there has been no looking back for him. After that, Arijit continued to work with Pritam, singing Dilli Wali Girlfriend, Kabira and Ilahi for Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. Other than singing the encore version of Kabira, he was also the music producer of the track, along with Balam Pichkari for the same film. Arijit also sang Main Rang Sharbaton Ka from the film Fata Poster Nikla Hero, which was also a composition by Pritam. He also sang for Shah Rukh Khan in the song Kashmir Main Tu Kanyakumari from Chennai Express, which was composed by Vishal Shekhar.
I work with Vishal Shekhar. They are fun. They're totally cool. I work with Amit Trivedi. He's a cool guy. These guys are very, very, energetic. Music is just a part of their life and they enjoy it.
Apart from rendering the duet version of Har Kisi Ko from Boss along with Neeti Mohan, the year marked his collaboration with Sharib Toshi on the song Kabhi Jo Badal Barse from Jackpot, and with Sanjay Leela Bansali on the semi-classical number Lal Ishq from Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela. In 2014, Arijit got a chance to work with two of his favorite music directors, Sajid Wajid and A.R. Rahman. He sang two tracks on Main Tera Hero and the song Raat Bhar from Hero Panti for Sajid Wajid, and also dubbed a Hindi version of a song for A.R. Rahman.
Working with A.R. Rahman has been really different. Obviously, he's a different guy, so your experience has to be different. The first song I've sung for him was a South Indian song actually, Kochidaiya. That he was not here. He sent me the track, and I was pretty surprised that he just wanted me to dub and send. So I dubbed, and he kept that voice. So I thought, okay, how did that happen? Then I wanted to actually meet him and sing in front of him. Then Tamasha happened.
He rendered 3 remix songs: Amit Trivedi's Hangama Ho Gaya, a song for Yariyan, Sharib Toshi's Samjhawa for Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya, and Mast Magan for 2 States, as well as Jia for Gunde. In 2014, Arijit also got married to Koyal Roy, a childhood friend and a neighbor. This year marked Arijit's collaborations with many other directors including Tony Kakkar, Sachin Jigar and Palak Muchal. Jeet Ganguly's song Muskurane garnered him the most nominations for the year, while he received 2 Filmfare nominations for Suno Na Sangamarmar and the Sufi song Mast Magan.
जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे पिया रे जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे पिया रे.
In 2015, Arijit made his Tamil debut. He also provided vocals for the dance song Suraj Duba Hai from Roy, which was composed by Amal Malik and written by Kumar. It was known as the party anthem of the year. During the year, he sang a duet Agar Tum Saath Ho with Alka Yagnik from the movie Tamasha, which was composed by A.R. Rahman. Arijit also dubbed a Hindi version of a song with Shreya Ghoshal. He then teamed up with Jeet Ganguly and Bobby Imran for Khamoshiyan, where he performed the film's title song. He collaborated with Ganguly on two other projects, Teri Khushboo for Mr. X and the title track for Hamari Adhuri Kahani. Besides working with Chirantan Bhatt on Teri Meri Kahani and Sachin Jigar on Chunar, he also worked with quite a few new music composers. He also collaborated with Himesh Reshammiya on the song Baaton Ko Teri from All Is Well.
सबसे फेवरेट सिंगर कौन है मेल में?
अरिजीत सिंह, वन एंड ओनली, और बहुत कमाल है। माने किशोरदा वगैरह मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, पर अरिजीत सिंह मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
उनको क्या चीज़ अलग बनाती है?
मुझे लग रहा है कि एक बहुत ही कंटेम्प्रेरी वॉइस के साथ बहुत ही सुरेल और बहुत ही नोट्स, कंपोजर की करेक्ट उसका इमोशनल कनेक्ट पकड़ना और उनकी मुड़कियों को ना छोड़ना। उस अगर गाने में इंडियन टचेस हैं तो इंडियन रखते हुए इसको कंटेम्प्रेरी रखना, और साथ ही साथ एक मेस्मराइजिंग क्वालिटी है, टोनल क्वालिटी है। टोनल क्वालिटी के साथ साथ जो कंपोजर ने बनाया उन नोट्स को फॉलो करना, पिकअप सेंस जो होती है, वो जो है नोट्स किशोरदा, रफ़ी साहब, सब में वो बात है। इवन सोनू निगम, वेरी वेरी गुड सिंगर, वेरी वेरी गुड सिंगर।
क्या बात है, बट Arijit is the man.
Along with recording playback songs for Bollywood, Arijit also released his second promotional single during the year. Titled Chal Wahan Jaate Hain, the song composed by Malik featured Tiger Shroff and Kriti Sanon. He also made his Marathi debut this year by singing a track on the film Katyar Kaljat Ghusli. Arijit was the lead vocalist on the soundtrack of the 2015 film Dilwale, singing Janam Janam. He sang the duet song Gerua, composed by Preetham and written by Amitabh Bhattacharya, with Antara Mitra, featuring Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol in the music video, which received a very good response. He sang the dance song Tukur Tukur on the movie Dilwale, also composed by Preetham and written by Bhattacharya, which was also well received. In early 2016, Arijit sang Ye Fitoor Mera, composed by Amit Trivedi. It was a trademark song from the Fitoor album. Some of his other noteworthy Hindi songs of 2016 included Sochna Sakhe, which is a duet with Tulsi Kumar from the movie Airlift, which is composed by Amal Malik. Sanam Re, the title track of the movie Sanam Re, composed and written by Mithun. Bolna from the movie Kapoor and Sons. And Itni Si Baat Hai, a duet with Antara Mitra, composed by Preetham.
छुटे ना छुटे मुझसे रंग तेरा डोलना एक तेरे बाजू दूजा मेरा कोई बोलना बोलना माही बोलना बोलना माही बोलना.
Arijit was the key vocalist on the Raz reboot soundtrack and sang Lo Maan Liya, composed by Jeet Ganguly. He also sang the haunting melody Raaz Aankhein Teri and Yaad Hai Na from the same film.
Raaz Aankhein Teri title lyrics are very catchy. I recorded those songs and sent. And obviously it was not working because it was a horror film and I sang it like a melody, I sang it like a romantic song, so it was not working for them and I couldn't understand why is it not working, what is exactly that you want. Then Vikram sir experimented, this is a horror film bro, you have to sing like it's haunting. Okay, so I didn't know what to do because I can't sound like a haunting guy, you know. But I kind of understood they wanted nuances in the song.
Raaz Aankhein Teri is in a way the soul of Raaz of the album, and it's a song that plays in bits, in portions, even in the background through the film. It is the reason I say it's the soul is because the main premise of the film is the interpersonal relationships, is a love story.
Jeet Ganguly is one of the guys I've seen so chilled out, and you know, music comes to him naturally. He composes melody like that. You know, he's very good at his job. They wanted to make it a little more uncanny, unpredictable quality of the song. They wanted to remain so. I sang like that, and that's how it got locked. And I had to sing a couple of songs for like more than five times, and it got locked finally.
He then sang the duet Darkhast from the film Shivai with Sunidhi Chauhan, which was composed by Mithun. Arijit was then the key vocalist on the film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. He sang the popular track Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, composed by Preetham and written by Amitabh Bhattacharya. He also sang Channa Mereya, which clocked 100 million views in no time.
Which is your favorite song of the three?
Channa Mereya. Channa Mereya is really close to my heart. And Channa Mereya is not close to my heart because उसके लिए मुझे सारे अवार्ड्स मिले ज़्यादातर. चन्ना मेरा जिस दिन गाना क्रैक हुआ था उस दिन से वो गाना मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. एंड जैसे कि हमने थोड़ी देर पहले बात की कि द प्रोसेस वो सेम. दादा ने मुझे धुन दी हुई थी. देयर वर अ फ्यू ऑप्शनल मेलोडीज आल्सो साथ में, and we were supposed to present it to Karan in the evening or the following evening, I don't remember right now exactly. So ये धुन थी मेरे पास, and I was at a studio, I think I was at Yashraj Studios or someplace, and वहाँ से निकला था and I was on my way to another studio. I was on my way to I think Dada's place only. And ये मेलोडी मेरे दिमाग में चल रही थी, तो वो धीरे धीरे उसके थॉट्स आने लगे. देन आई सेट डाउन, आई स्क्रिबल्ड उसका थॉट. तो एंड ऑल्सो ऑन दैट नोट, ये जो 3 गाने हैं अपने, ए दिल मुश्किल, टाइटल, बुलिया एंड चन्ना मेरा, इनके द फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट वाज द फाइनल ड्राफ्ट. जो मैंने लिखा, जो हमने प्रेजेंट किया, इज एज इट इज. करण ने एक्सेप्ट किया, दैट इज द वे दे हैव.
दैट इज समथिंग सिमिलर टू योर सिंग. जो होना होता है वो
हो जाता है.
He rendered another chartbuster hit, Nashe Se Chad Gaye, from Befikre. The promotional video for the song was a huge hit on YouTube. Arijit also sang Naina from Dangal at the end of 2016. So many top artists from the Bollywood music industry were all praised for him.
Arijit Singh, a phenomenon year after year. What is it?
His simplicity, and he doesn't care about this. He loves music. He just comes and has fun.
Absolute truth. Yeah, he deserves everything he's got because he's honest to music. Music को दिल से चाहता है. He doesn't care about the show. वो कभी
मेरा अरिजीत है. बहुत गुणी बच्चे हैं. चलो सोनू निगम, फिर भी उनको बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गाने मिले, अश्रेया को, सुनिधि को. अरिजीत को अभी तक रिमार्केबल गाना, जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि स्टैम्प लगने जैसा, अभी तक उसको मिला नहीं है. इसका मतलब इस लायक अभी तक उसको संगीतकार नहीं मिला है. वो जिस दिन मिलेगा, फिर अरिजीत को देखो और कहाँ जाके बैठता है वो.
So I think it's a cliched answer. Arijit Singh is my favorite singer. I think he can do any genre. Like Phir Le Aaya Dil, he has that Ghulam Ali vibe. In Kill Dil song, there's one song in Kill Dil, Sajde. When the song begins, he sounds like Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan sahab.
Yeah, that's true.
And then there's a song called Ilahi. He sounds like a rock star. Tum Hi Ho, he has a lilting voice of Mohit Chauhan. You know, I think he is, जिसे कहते हैं सर्वगुण संपन्न गायक. He's like that. Right. He's such a versatile singer.
After him and his work, really. And Arijit Singh, you know, you can't say enough for that man. He's just
absolutely
on another level.
What?
Arijit Singh, of course, he's one of my favorite singers, and his voice took the song to some other.
In 2017, Arijit sang for Shah Rukh Khan and performed a romantic duet with Harshdeep Kaur called Zalima, composed by Pritam's Jam 8 and written by Amitabh Bhattacharya for the movie Raees. He was also the vocalist for Salim Sulaiman's Kuch Parbat Hilai and Babul Mora from the inspirational movie Poorna. He rendered the song Alvida from the film Rangoon. Arijit also sang Roke Na Ruke Naina, composed by Amal Malik from the film Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and the chorus song Namami Brahmaputra, composed by Papon and dedicated to the river Brahmaputra, which flows in Assam and has high cultural, economic and social importance for Northeast India and Assamese people. Arijit also sang the song Hareya from Meri Pyari Bindu and also the song Murshida from Begum Jaan, written by Rahat Indori and composed by Anu Malik.
I must tell you guys कि मैं अरिजीत के बारे में पहले कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. That it was a privilege and an honor to work with him. हमारे युग में बहुत से सिंगर्स जब हमने काम किया, मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब के साथ, I was only 16, किशोर दा, रफ़ी साहब, किशोर दा, लता जी, आशीष जी, right from Shreya Suredi to my daughter Anmol today. मैं गैम्बट ऑफ इमोशन बताना चाहता, सबके साथ काम कर चुका हूँ, और बीच में ऑफ कोर्स विद द लेजेंडरी सोनू निगम, आउटस्टैंडिंग सिंगर. लेकिन आज मैंने जब इसके साथ काम किया, मैं नतीजे पर पहुंचा हूँ दैट द सिंगर दैट वी हैव इन अ मिक्स, हु इज द रियल सिंगर, इज अरिजीत. और उसके साथ जब मैंने काम किया मुझे सुकून मिला, बिकॉज मैं जब ओके बोलता था वो वन मोर बोलता था, वो जब वन मोर बोलता था मैं टू मोर बोलता था, फिर वो बोलता था थ्री मोर. तो मतलब उसकी काम की लगन, उसका जज्बा मुझे भाग गया. बिकॉज आई लव पीपल हु वांट टू वर्क हार्ड एंड ऑल्सो फॉल इन लव विद माई ट्यून. एंड दो सिंगर्स में मैंने ये सब चीज़ें देखी. एक पापुन में देखी जिसने मेरा गाना मोमो के धागे गाया, और एक मैंने अब अरिजीत में देखा. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि गॉड हैज गिवन मी अ चांस टू वर्क विद दीज टैलेंटेड गाइज.
He then sang फिर भी तुमको चाहूँगा, composed by Mithun from the movie Half Girlfriend. Zee Music had to release the track before the planned date due to an unbelievable demand from the public. Arijit was the lead vocalist on the film Rabta, singing Ikwaria, composed by Preetham. Arijit then went on to sing songs like Ullu Ka Patta from the movie Jagga Jasoos, composed by Preetham, Main Tera Boyfriend, which was a duet with Neha Kakkar, O Saathi from the film Shab, Galti Se Mistake, written by Amitabh Bhattacharya, and Preetham's composition Jhumri Talaiya. He sang for Shah Rukh Khan and performed the song Hawaii, composed by Preetham. This was a huge hit, and the Indian media penned the song as mesmerizing. He sang Jana Ve and Aaj Zid for Aksar 2, Bairagi for Bareli Ki Barfi, Main Hu Saath Tere for Shaadi Mein Zarur Aana, and Beech Beech Mein from When Harry Met Sejal.
कुछ पर्वत हिलाए तो बात है, कुछ पर्वत हिलाए तो बात है, कुछ पर्वत हिलाए.
In In 2018, Arijit sang Aaj Se Teri for the film Padman, composed by Amit Trivedi, Binte Dil for Padmavat, and Subha Subha for the film Sonu Ki Titu Ki Sweetie. He also sang the super hit song Tera Yaar Hu Main. Other than that, he sang for films like Dil Jungli, 3 Stories, Hichki, Razi, Veere the Wedding, 102 Not Out, Bazaar, Kedarnath and Karwan.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
In 2019, Arijit sang songs like Ve Mahi with Aziz Kaur from the film Kesari, First Class with Neeti Mohan, and the title song for Kalank.
जो तेरे ना हुए किसी के ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी मैं तेरा पागल पिया, हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है, एक राजा और हीर जैसी, न जाने ये ज़माना चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल किया, मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा, मैं तो ना तो मजदूर मेरा सवेरा, मैं तेरा ओ मैं तेरा, मुसाफिर मैं भटका तू मेरा बसेरा, मैं तेरा ओ मैं तेरा, तू जुगनू चमकता मैं जंगल घनेरा, मैं तेरा ओ पिया, मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा.
He also sang Khairiyat from Chichore, which was composed by Preetham, Ghungru with Shilpa Rao for the movie War. He also teamed up with Dhwani Bhanushali and sang the song Darya Ganj for the film Jai Mammi Di. Moving on to 2020, in January alone, 10 of his songs were released. 3 songs from Love Aajkal, which were Shayad, Haan Tum Ho and Haan Main Galat, which were all composed by Preetham. Other songs like Khulne Do and Sab Jhulas Gaya, composed by Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Chal Ghar Chale from Malang, which was composed by Mithun, Azadi Ke Liye and Mere Watan from the Amazon original The Forgotten Army, as well as a Bengali song for a Bengali film. On 18 July 2020, Arijit announced his upcoming venture, in non-filmmaking music under the banner Orion Music. Arijit released his first single Riha under this music banner on 4th October 2020 along with a Bengali version of the same track. Arijit has a unique voice and has been compared very often to Atif Aslam. He has a huge fan following, not only outside the film industry but also within the film industry. He has often been portrayed by the Indian media as a small town boy who made it big. Arijit is an extremely shy person and claims to be uncomfortable with all the media and fan attention he gets due to his fame. However, he seems to be dealing with his shyness as he not only sings playback but also performs at live events in India as well as around the world. Arijit Singh has faced so many struggles and still made it to the top of Bollywood. He's living the Indian dream and he deserves it.